Welcome to the future of luxury and performance. Presented by Arrowhead Lexus, the 2024 Lexus ES350 encapsulates the essence of refined driving with a blend of sophisticated design and advanced technology. The exterior of the ES350 exudes elegance with its sleek lines and bold spindle grille, complemented by LED headlights and 18-inch alloy wheels. This stylish design is not just about aesthetics. It also contributes to aerodynamic efficiency, enhancing the vehicle's overall performance and fuel economy. Under the hood, the ES350 is powered by a robust 3.5-liter V6 engine that delivers a smooth and responsive driving experience. With 302 horsepower and 267 pound-feet of torque, the vehicle accelerates confidently, while the 8-speed automatic transmission ensures seamless gear shifts. The car's adaptive variable suspension provides a balance between comfort and agility, making it adept at handling both city streets and open highways. Inside, the 2024 Lexus ES350 offers a sanctuary of comfort and advanced technology. The cabin is adorned with high-quality materials, including available semi-aniline leather upholstery and genuine wood trim. The driver and passengers can enjoy a range of features such as a 12.3-inch multimedia display, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an available Mark Levinson premium audio system. Lexus's attention to detail extends to the climate control system, which includes dual-zone temperature settings and available heated and ventilated seats, ensuring a comfortable ride in any weather. Safety is a paramount concern in the 2024 ES350. Equipped with a Lexus Safety System Plus 2.5. This suite of advanced safety features includes pre-collision warning with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, and adaptive cruise control. These technologies work together to provide a safer driving experience, helping to prevent accidents and mitigate their severity. Additionally, the ES350 includes blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert, further enhancing driver awareness and confidence on the road. In summary, the 2024 Lexus ES350 stands out in the luxury sedan market with its harmonious blend of performance, comfort, and safety. It is a vehicle designed for those who appreciate the finer things in life, offering a driving experience that is as exhilarating as it is serene. View our selection at arrowheadlexus.com or give us a call at 623-777-6552